We can all repeat too, inshallah, right? Let's start, inshallah. Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan Rasulullah. Allahu Akbar. So really quickly, right, I was asking him, what about your parents? How do they feel about you looking into Islam and now today converting to Islam? Tell me about your parents, please.
My father passed away back in 2020, but my mother, she knows, but it's been a little bit difficult trying to get her to understand. I feel kind of torn. Feels like she wants me to do one thing, but I feel in my heart that this is the right thing to do. And I feel like I'm going to follow my heart, even though it's kind of hard.
Alhamdulillah. May Allah make you the best son to your mother, so you can guide her or you can share the guidance with her. Right? We will all pray that may Allah also guide your mother to Islam so she can be with you in paradise, inshallah.
Ameen.
Alright? So we pray that may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make you a practicing Muslim, and all of us, may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give you more knowledge of Islam, and also may Allah give you the knowledge, the wisdom, the motivation, so you can start sharing this wonderful guidance with all of humanity. Since inshallah you are only 25, I also pray that may Allah make you a scholar of Islam. So we need more scholars, young people, dynamic people, so we can inshallah convey Islam to every single American and every single human. With that, Brother Jacob, welcome to Islam. Congratulations. And all of us are your brothers and sisters out there. They will all be hugging you and giving you some good advice. All right? Get ready for that. Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.